Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Mavic 3 Pro drone, one of the most advanced consumer drones on the market right now. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just a drone enthusiast, this drone takes aerial photography and videography to the next level. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Mavic 3 Pro is compact, foldable, and incredibly portable, making it easy to take with you anywhere. But don't be fooled by its size, this drone is packed with power. What really sets the Mavic 3 Pro apart is its Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS camera. You're getting stunning 5.1K video and 20MP still photos, delivering exceptional quality and detail. The dynamic range is impressive, and the colors straight out of the camera are vibrant and true to life. You can grab yours through the affiliate link in the description to support the channel. Compared to other drones in its class, the Mavic 3 Pro's camera blows the competition away. It's perfect for anyone who's serious about aerial cinematography or content creation. Flying this drone is a breeze thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The APS 5.0 system helps you avoid obstacles in all directions, making your flight safer and smoother, even in complex environments. With the O3 transmission system, you can enjoy a crystal clear live feed from up to 15 kilometers away. That's some serious range for both professionals and hobbyists. And let's not forget about the incredible 46-minute flight time. That's a big upgrade from previous models, giving you more time in the air to capture those perfect shots. Plus, it's foldable and lightweight, so you can easily pack it up and take it anywhere your adventure leads. To sum it up, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers stunning image quality, smooth and intelligent flight features, and all the advanced tech you'd expect from DJI. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner looking to level up, this drone has it all. If you're ready to take your aerial photography to new heights, the Mavic 3 Pro is the drone to get. And you can grab yours through the link in the description to support the channel. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips. See you next time.